Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us see how to convert toluene into benzyl alcohol. For any conversion reactions, the first thing we need to do that is writing the structure of the compound. So toluene, it is a substituted benzene compound. Here that methyl group is substituted in the benzene ring. Then for the benzyl alcohol, CH2OH group is attached in the benzene ring. Now for conversion of toluene to benzyl alcohol, let us see a small trick. Let us keep that toluene as a left hand side compound and benzyl alcohol as a right hand side compound. For left hand side compound, we go to find that reaction involving the compound, and for the right hand side compound we go to find the preparation of the compound. For toluene, it is a benzene derivative. So actually see, benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions, but because of the presence of CH3 group, the methyl group, toluene undergoes free radical substitution. In benzene substitutions, the substitution takes place in the ring, but in the free radical substitution, that substitution takes place in the side chain. So when it is chlorinated in the presence of heat or light, then CH3 group, one of the hydrogen in the CH3 group is replaced by chlorine and will produce that benzyl chloride, CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. If we look at the preparation of that benzyl alcohol, the preparation of benzyl alcohol can be achieved from benzyl halide. So benzyl chloride is a benzyl halide. So that can be if it is treated with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide, this OH group is replaced, that is Cl group is replaced by OH group. That means substitution reactions takes place and resulting in the formation of benzyl alcohol. The entire step involves two steps. In the first step, toluene is treated with chlorine in the presence of light or heat, and which results in benzyl chloride. In the second step, benzyl chloride is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide that result in benzyl alcohol. Thanks for watching.